Hi, so this video is for someone who needs encouragement amidst their suffering. Kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, hindi mo siya naiintindihan. You have been praying for answered prayers, but it seems like God has been distant. This video is for you. So, let me just share a story, no? So, 2005, I was at my lowest point, no? When I say lowest point, that was the time when my marriage failed. It was my former marriage. It failed, so we broke up. Actually, hindi naman talaga broke up. So, uh, iniwan niya kami, no? Iniwan kami ng former husband ko. And all I had at that moment is marriage. So, imagine, no? Yung pinaghahawakan kong marriage na inilaban ko. Kasi I got married at a very early age, 19. At nilaban ko yun. Di ba sabi ko, kasi kahit talikuran ako ng mga magulang ko, go. But then imagine after 2 years of being, well, technically, 3 to 4 years of being married, I didn't know back then na it's gonna fail. So, long story short, yun lang pinangahawakan ko, no? So, kaya nga naalala ko yung sinabi ni C.S. Lewis, you wouldn't really know who Jesus is until all you have is Jesus Himself. Diba? Parang, kung ano, at that moment, wala na, as in, tinalikuran na ako ng family ko. I felt so embarrassed dahil yung pinangahawakan kong marriage, it failed. I never told anyone na I'm going through that suffering, but at that very moment, God picked me up. That was the moment that Jesus Himself showed up in my situation. Yung alam mo yun, yung wala ka ng pangahawakan. So, all I have to do is to surrender. Sabi ko, Lord, hindi ko na alam. I was at the peak of my anxiety, of my depression. But Jesus showed up. He picked me up. And nung mga panahon na yun, 2005, hindi ko alam, no? I have been praying a lot na sabi ko, Lord, ito lang yung gusto ko mangyari, ma-restore yung marriage kasi naniniwala ako na what God has put together, let no man put asunder. No, so yung like pinangahawakan. Talagang nilalaban ko sa prayer yon. I didn't know. And then, fast forward, of course, it didn't really happen. No? Yung pinagpipray ko na ma-restore yung marriage, it didn't happen. We separated ways. Pumunta ako dito sa Manila. Siya naman, he stayed dun sa province. I brought my children here. I worked so hard. Naging busy ako sa pagtatrabaho kasi I was a solo parent back then. Binuhos ko dun yung lakas ko, yung oras ko. But during those time, I remember talaga, Jesus is very present in my life. It's the kind of peace that I have never experienced all my life. But yun nga. So, pinanghahawakan ko yung prayer ko na yon na ma-restore, bumalik siya one day. Talagang parang baliw na baliw talaga ako at that time na alam mo yon na sa prayer, nilalaban mo, na wala kang bukang bibig na, Lord, ito lang yung hinihingi ko. And at that moment, I felt na, Jesus is really present in my life kasi I had that peace, no, na hindi ko nga na-experience. But at the same time, it felt like God didn't answer or God doesn't answer me. Diba? He feels distant. Parang, Lord, asan ka ba? Diba sabi mo, kung ano yung pinagsama mo, walang sino makakapaghiwalay. Pero bakit walang nangyayari? But anyway, I didn't know. Fast forward to 15 years, 2020, I got married again. No? So, kung nung 2005, at that moment na I was very down, hindi ko naiintindihan. All I have to say is, Lord, I surrender. Not my will, but yours be done. Yun na lang yung sinabi ko at that time. Sa tingin ko, at that time na 2005, kung alam ko lang na I would be married to to a wonderful husband. Inilaban ko kaya yung prayer na yun? Or naintindihan ko kaya bakit hindi ako sinasagot ni Lord? 'Di ba? So, just like Job, no, the book of Job tells us one of the um, greatest stories in the Bible as well that talks about suffering, pain, hardship, suffering. Dumating din sa point na, 'di ba, maraming sinumbat din si si Job kay Lord, kumapit siya, but then sinabi na lang niya, Lord, not my will but let your will be done. Kung alam ni Job na during that time, ang pinagdadaanan niya yun is he would be able to inspire and encourage people who's undergoing similar instances in every generation, in the lifetime of generation. 'Di ba? Iiyak niya rin kaya yung kay Lord at that time, or sasabihin niya lang kaya kay Lord noon na, sige Lord, kung ma-inspire pala ang millions of people in this lifetime because of my story, bring it on. I heard this from Pastor Tim Keller, no? Kaya nung narinig ko, tawang-tawa kasi, oo nga, no? Natingin ba natin kung yun yung alam ni Job yung mangyayari? Kasi nga, di ba, we are just men. God is God. Di ba? Siya yung nakakakita ng future natin. Hindi man natin maintindihan yung nangyayari sa atin. It may feel like God is far away. It may feel like God is not answering us, ang layo-layo niya, na parang may takip sa langit, no, at sa lupa. Know that God is God and we are not. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung nakita na niya. But I would like to encourage you to keep hoping, to keep praying, to keep reading the Bible, and bank on those words. Because He is ever faithful. He is the same God yesterday, today, and forever. So kung hindi man natin yung makita yung light at the end of the tunnel, let's just surrender. Because yung nakita ni Lord 10 years, 20 years, 30 years from now, hindi natin nakita. All we need to do is to surrender and trust His will. And our life will never be the same. So I hope this encourages someone who's undergoing pain, suffering. Yun. Okay. So, and also before I go, I'm happy to tell na, di ba, I'm pregnant nga, 7 weeks. So I'll be having my ultrasound next week to see the heartbeat of the baby. I'm undergoing medication as well for my hypertension, but all laboratory came out okay, which is good. But again, minamanage pa rin yung hypertension na hindi pa rin ma-detect ng OB ko kung saan galing. But the Lord revealed to me where it's coming from, which I will be sharing on the next video. No? Yan. So, thank you so much for listening, for watching kung nasaan man kayong part ng Pilipinas or mundo. If you have any comments or if you have any prayer requests, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll read that. But for now, please support this channel kasi I would really want to inspire and to encourage people who need to hear this kind of stories, hear this kind of encouragement. No? So be blessed and be encouraged. Thank you.